So hello guys, how are you? I hope all are well. So in this video I will tell you a new Tron mining website where you can invest your Tron and get highest return of your investment. So this video is very interesting and very knowledgeable video, so watch full video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, website link given in the description. When you click on the link, such an interface will come in front of you. First of all, you have to create an account in it. To create an account, you have to enter your mobile number. After that, you have to enter your password and security password, then enter the captcha. After filling all these details, you have to click on the sign up button. As soon as you click on sign up button, your account will be created and such a new interface will come. So first of all, here you get all the details of the company, like company's official telegram channel, company's legal white paper, company's customer service contact info. Here you can see that 2000 TRX you will get as a sign up bonus and 20 TRX I invested here. This website is 100% real and trusted website, that's why I invested here, and I advise you, if you also want to invest, then you can do it here. Why I am telling you that you need to invest here? Because here you will get 8% cloud mining income, which is the best and highest. Now I tell you how to receive cloud mining income. So simply click on trading income, then you can see here that I have got the button to receive 161 TRX, which is available in every 24. It means you will get every day 8% cloud mining income, which is the best and highest income, as I said. So now I clicked on the receive button, and here you can see that my Tron balance has been increased. So that's why I said this website is very good and legit website. In the video I will also show you withdrawal proof. Here you can earn money by 3 ways. First way, refer and earning, and second way, you can invest here. So first I tell you about how to earn money by referring. So if you want to earn money by referring, simply click on the share button and copy your refer link and share with your contacts. It means your friends and family members. You can share with them and you can earn a high commission from. So click on my button and click on my team. Then here you will get earning up to 3 levels. In the first level you will get 13% commission. In second level you will get 5% commission. So guys, now let me tell you how to deposit TRX. So to deposit Tron, you have to click deposit option. As soon as you will click on the deposit option, such an interface will come. Here you will see two options for deposit. If you want to earn daily income, so you can click on basic account. But if you can't want to withdraw daily, then you have to click on promotion wallet. So if you want to invest in promotion, you have to click on investment option. You will get many investment plans, as you can see here. Like I click on first plan for 3 days. Here you will get 2% interest for 3 days. It means if you invest here 5 TRX, after 3 days you will get 5 TRX principal amount plus 0.3 TRX interest also you will get. So this is a very good plan. Also want to invest for a long time, you can see here many other plans also available, but I want to invest in basic account because I want to withdraw daily money. So I am going to invest in basic account. If you want to invest in basic account, you have to click on the basic account, and here you can see but the QR code and TRX address are given here. I copy the TRX address, pay with my crypto exchange wallet. You can use any exchange wallet for invest here. I will use Trust Wallet to recharge here. So I search Trust Wallet and open the app. Now I select TRX and click on the send TRX. I invest here 50 TRX, so I 50 TRX and click on confirm, and you can see my transaction in pending. So as you can see, my TRX transaction has been successful. Now come back on website and click on recharge completed. It must be click on recharge completed. If you not click, your transaction has been not success. So click on the recharge completed. After you need to wait 1-2 minutes and your transaction has been success. Now you can see 70 TRX has been added, 20 TRX I already added, and 50 TRX now I added. So recharge process is very easy. Okay, now I tell you how to withdraw TRX and how much withdrawal limit you get here. So simply click on withdrawal. Here you will get 5% withdrawal limit. It means you invest here 100 TRX, you will get daily 5 TRX withdrawal. Here you will get 2 wallets for withdrawal. First basic account and second promotion account. If you invested in basic wallet, then you can withdraw money through basic account. If you invested in promotion wallet, then you can withdraw money by promotion wallet. If you referred someone and get some TRX, then also you can withdraw through promotion wallet. I will show you withdrawal with basic account right now. For withdrawal, first we need to put TRX address. So I open my Wodrex app and copy address. After copied the address, come back on website and paste address to here. As you can see, I filled all things. Now simply click on confirm and our withdrawal has been submit. Now I show you live withdrawal proof. So now I open my Wodrex app and I show you live. You can see my last transaction, and we need to wait 1 minute for withdrawal success. Let's wait 1 minute. Guys, I waited 1 minute and you can see 3.5 TRX has been credited to my account. So all over this this website is very good and trusted website. If you also want to invest, I highly suggest you that you invest now. You will definitely get a lot high return as I got it. So I hope you all understand everything. That's all in this video. If you like the video, please click on the like